NBIS stock analysis and NBIS stock prediction. So in this brief and short 1 minute video, I'm going to be breaking down my exact play and everything with Nebius Group, especially now looking to buy on it even more. I know people are overcomplicating stuff, but I myself have done well over, I have 6 results in the trade alert section in Discord and 42 videos made over 5 years. So, I've seen what's actually bringing me money and what's not. I know that if I stick to my edge and rules that I've set up for myself, that I'm gonna be okay. And this is just like a pretty much equation of, it's just like a result of 5 years and tens of thousands of dollars spent on courses and mentors, just refining and seeing what works. Unless there's that confirmation here, of course, I'm not gonna be the guy that's gonna come out here and start buying. No. So that being said, if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, then yeah, sure, just click the first link in the description and get my free emails. And I will continue to keep you updated. No sweat. It's for free, of course.